Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Tristan. You know, we got the full forehead revealed today. I don't know, I'm just gonna start making a joke about myself every time at the start of the video. I just noticed it's extremely exposed today. But basically today what I'm gonna be doing, y'all, showing you all this new Louis Vuitton bag that I purchased. I firstly want to give a huge shout out to Girl Mom on Instagram. This is who I got this bag from. So I want to say a shout out to him if you guys want to go check him out. I think I should link him down below. I am going to, so hopefully I remember to do that, but he will be linked down below at some point, so go check him out. But I got this travel bag from him, and I'm basically going to be showing you guys it in this video, kind of the different features of it, because it's a very interesting bag, very unique, and it's discontinued, so no, these aren't being made. There's no more of them. It's a very rare and exclusive bag, so I want to show you all it while I can. You know, this is going to stay in my collections. This is something that I'm going to have. Very happy about that. Don't forget, you want more content like this, you can go ahead, subscribe, and like below. Let's try and hit, let's say, 150 likes on this video, so everybody drop a like, and I'll do more unboxings if we hit 150 likes, so I'd appreciate it. I'm trying to run up my Instagram numbers, so go follow me on Instagram. You know, I'd appreciate a follow there, but I would appreciate it. So I hope you guys will enjoy, and let's get started. Alright, so let me get into showing you guys the different features and things about this bag. It's a very, very cool bag, and I want to show you all. So it's pretty spacious, as you guys can tell. It has a frame in the bottom of it, so the bag like kind of has like a shape that it like keeps, which I like about it. So you see like it has like the metal frame supported by this. It kind of can just like you can set it down. It's very nice, and I like the kind of frame that's on the inside of it. Like if you feel around the bag, you feel kind of like the frame on the bottom of it that kind of keeps it all like shit in like a shape of a duffel and together. And like especially the zipper. This is a very like high quality zipper. As you can tell, that kind of runs around the whole bag right here, and this helps it kind of like keep this duffel shape also, which I really like. But I also want to go over the monogram, so how about I get into a little bit of a vlog format for you. Here's my cat. Hey buddy. He begs for attention, then won't look at me when I like want to like pay attention to him. It's the weirdest thing ever. But yeah, basically you can tell the straps in these, this bag is leather, so you basically want to really get some close details. You can see the leather straps in this bag are very nice, high quality, and you kind of got like the gold zipper right here. Obviously I don't believe it's real gold. I believe it's like some like 14K plated, but it's very nice quality, and you can see kind of like how this like helps like hold it together. Like you see like the whole frame thing I'm talking about, like on the bottom. Like I'm literally grabbing the frame right now, and you can tell like that kind of like sits down on the bag. You also have another pocket right here with the zipper. I didn't even notice this, but look, like you have a whole nother pocket right here for stuff, and there's pockets all over this thing. I'll get into detail about the pockets in a second more, but I really want to pay attention and show you all the monogram on this. So this is called the Louis Vuitton Minlin monogram. It's basically all embroidered, and it's no longer actually continued. This has been discontinued since I believe 2009, if I'm correct, or 2008, around that time. But yeah, as you can tell, this is pretty nice. So I'm a big fan of the whole monogram. Main reason I got this bag cost me pretty much a rack. I mean, this was a very expensive bag. I bought it with another one, and that whole purchase ended up being almost a rack, but like this one was pretty much like, I think for this bag was 500, so it's a really nice bag. I got it for a really good deal, since this bag probably goes for, I think the retail, that's what at least I think it would go for. But I've seen other ones like this one. I think they go for around like 600, 700. So I got a really good deal on this one, which is dope, and I'm happy about that. But this bag definitely is going for uppers, close to $1,000 alone. But you can see you got like the two pockets here. I want to really show you all these ones. Basically, these two pockets, you can see they're like belt, like a belt buckle. You see, kind of like stays attached like this right here, and basically you just like clasp it together. You can like undo it right here. There you go. And then that's like how you like open the pocket. Very simple like that. But basically then just to close it up, it's also very simple. All you gotta do is basically just put it through like a normal belt, and yeah, there you go. Very simple process. You see this, very easy to use, and the pockets, and nothing's gonna really fall out other than maybe like small stuff, but there you go. You just keep it closed together like that, and yeah, nothing's falling out. It's very good. And you see like that, so it's kind of like these two pockets, like belt pockets, but they're really just strap pockets. So I like the whole design of this bag, like how these stay attached on. This whole bag is pretty fire to me. I'm very happy to have this in the collection now. And you also got these ones because you can also adjust. Give me a sec, boys. There's also belt buckles in this because you can actually adjust how it hangs, like when you're carrying it. So obviously I'd have to back up so you guys see it a little more. So it's gonna hang pretty low here, but you could adjust the strap so it could hang higher or lower. But yeah, you see the pockets on this one are super sick, and I'm very happy to have this bag. You see it's been worn a little bit, but overall the condition of this bag is like, I'd say pretty much perfect. And you can see pretty much the monogram all around it. Like I love this kind of like forest green, like embroidered monogram, and how it like all matches really right here. It's just so clean to me. So to have this bag in the personal collection makes me very happy. It was a big purchase, and I'm glad that I've actually made it, because now I kind of have like like a go-to kind of travel bag, as you can tell, and this one is just super clean and super sick to me. So yeah, Louis Vuitton. Got a little bag right here. I had a duffel before that in the personal collection, but I sold that one to get this one because I saw this is just like an upgrade. It holds plenty of stuff, very spacious. There's stuff in here actually right now to why it looks like this. It's actually, I've been using it, so you know, use your stuff when you cop it. So yeah, this one's super dope, and I got the 2 pockets on this one. And yeah, there's the travel bag, my new $1,000 Louis Vuitton Monogram travel bag. And here's my cat. Hey buddy. Hey buddy. But yeah, I'm extremely happy. Again, as I said, probably multiple times in this video about this purchase. Stoked about it. And it's just a crazy piece to have in the collection. It's gonna go up in time. I just, shoot, if I keep this and keep using it for travel, I imagine we'll go for in like 20 years. I mean, shoot, maybe I'll still be collecting, who knows? You never know. That's all I really gotta say. I've been speaking too much, so that's my new bag. And kitty. And let's roll that outro. Anyways though, if you guys want more unboxing content like this, again, I'm super stoked about this bag. I've repeated that like 20 times now, like actually I need to chill, but basically that's all I've really had to say. So I mean, if you want more content like this, you can subscribe. Don't forget, also drop a like in this video. It's trying to hit 150 likes and I'll do more unboxing, so please drop that like. I want to see everybody do that. You also drop a comment too, let me know your thoughts in it, any pickups you've had recently, you've bought. But yeah, that's really almost everything got to say. My camera died, but yeah, I'm pretty sure I already said like and subscribe. I don't remember what I said in the last clip, but if you guys want to do that, go ahead. And also, if you want to, go check out my Instagrams. As I said, you know, I'd appreciate more followers on there, so you can check out my personal or reselling page there. That'd be dope. I'd appreciate a follow both those. You know, go like the recent, anything like that. But yeah, you know, I'll have more stuff for sale on the resale page soon, so you guys can go check that there. But that's pretty much all I gotta say. So I'm Tristan, thank you all for watching, and I'm gonna see you all in the next video. Peace.